Hey guys, welcome back to my Conversational Japanese series. This is going to be episode 2, and we're going to be talking about possessive pronouns. So stick around. Welcome back, my name is Takeshi, and on this channel we'll talk about learning foreign languages, and I'll help you guys excel in your language and, hopefully make the language learning a little bit easier. Alright, so let's get into it. It's a possessive pronoun. So first of all, what is it? So possessive pronoun is basically a pronoun that indicates possession. So in English, it will be yours, mine. I would include even my, her, their, and so on. So it basically shows who possesses what or who has what. So the basic way is you just take the subject pronoun, and if you don't know what subject pronouns are in Japanese, make sure to check out the previous video. So, but otherwise, it's subject pronouns. You add no at the end, and you're done. That's the Japanese possessive pronoun. So, for example, it's mine, or my is watashi no. So watashi plus no, watashi no. That's it. You, anata no is your. So just as simple as that. And if you look at other sources and such, to say like words such as mine, yours, they may say watashi no mono or anata no mono, but I just find that's very antiquated way to say it, or I just don't think people say that often. Even now you can say watashi no, like sore wa watashi no. I think it sounds more natural than watashi no mono. I mean, it makes sense, people understand you, but I think it's just I'm not sure that people use that as often nowadays. So going back to it, more examples. Theirs, you can say karera no, or you can say kanojo ra no, kanojo tachi no, kare tachi no, either or. Anata no, again, is yours. So I think pretty simple. I mean, all you have to do is just add no, and that's the end of it. So I mean, another example would be maybe how about my name is watashi no namae. Means namae is name in Japanese. So watashi no namae means my name. Your name will be anata no namae. So it's pretty easy. Like I said, I mean, there's not much more to be said than that. So just gonna keep it quick. Again, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks.